Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we are gonna make videos on the geographic information system. For that, we will use Esri softwares, QGIS, ArcGIS, and ArcGIS Pro. In the beginning, we will work with QGIS only because it's easy to download, and for that we don't need any license. So how to download it? In this video we will talk about the downloading process. So you will simply write it down QGIS, then in qgis.org you can click downloads. When you click, you will have this uh, platform. So we have for Windows, for Mac OS, if you have the Apple, and if you have Linux operating system BSD. So for that you could download it accordingly, but we will download for our Windows. So click it, the green button, and close this message. So we have here, so here we are. So we have this wizard setup for the installation. We'll click next, then accept the terms, click next, create a desktop shortcut. Yeah, so you will go with the default setting, then next, and install. When you start installing the QGIS, it will take some time for the setup and for the full installation. So we have to wait. So it's done here. After the installation, we go to our applications, and you can find the folder for QGIS here, or directly you could just search here in the search bar with the QGIS name. So it's here, QGIS desktop. So we have 3.28, the latest version. So it's started. You can go to new empty project and start working on your task.